Look at all those sheep. Hold on. Oh yeah. There's the, look at the dogs. They are working. Look at the other one out there. Nice rain rutted out ruts. Like I said, what, folks? Versus the BDRs in the United States, we're out here in the middle of Spain and nowhere, and I'm still getting 5G because I'm getting calls. There's parts of the BDR in some place I can't even get a cell service.
It's worth pausing here so we got this view. We could have written.
How beautiful that is. Wow.
Oh wow, look at that single track.
That's beautiful. Oh shit.
And we have Splashdown.
Other breaking news. Water. Wet.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
Hey, did you get it?
You might need a spotter.
Dan, you going?
Yeah, what the hell?
Do not do that. You messed up.
Yeah, I just want to try to get the ass end up out. All right, hold on.
Coming off.
Way to go, Dan! Chad, you ready?
We can't have that. What do you mean, no?
Chad, are you riding? What? Easy, Tiger, easy!
Just stay there.
Good.
Yeah, go USA.
No.
Yeah, America. Fuck yeah. America.
Fuck yeah! Rock on, man!
All right, team photo on the ledge, on the ridge.
Although that was funny, I feel bad for Tom. Oh yeah. You mean Tom's falling in? And you knew it was happening as soon as that second time that he meant to dab his foot. And we're like, no. I can hear you now. Oh, that's pretty wild down through there. Holy cow.
Yeah. The other just wait disintegrated. That's fucking nuts. That thing's falling up.
Just think that's where we came. Wow. Pretty incredible landscape when you think about it. I have to say, after going after Tom, the only thing I could think about was I was not going to fall in water. So I was going so slow that my rear end slid right into it. I was like, oh, you just fucking jinxed us.
Oh, it's so close. Well, we're just, I mean, I'm just trying to get away. I'm just trying to have to not bother to. So, and that's going to take another like 7 minutes. Hang on. We need this guy. Make sure it's
right on there. We don't want to round them off.
No.
I listen to my math teacher.
You lock it up.
Lock it up. Oh, somebody just squeezed his tits.
Lock it up.
Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up.
He's just
The
whacking off.
director
Hey, get
is
some
the
mids.
actor.
Hey, we need some mids, McCourt.
Give me one more talkie
Mid
down.
McCourt.
there.
Oh yeah, I like it.
That's your new name, Mid McCourt.
I'm gonna give me mid-record. Yep, you're good. You're golden.
I am rolling here.
Still. Jeez Louise. Where's this one?
I'm just gonna show my wife a picture of my wrench and I might get with something. She's like, what do you even know about a wrench?
Just torquing it.
Just torquing it, baby.
It's all on film. She's going to hear everything.
Okay. Okay, so we'll cut from the mid to the tight. Still around?
I'm right here on the right side.
Oh, mate, can we do another test spin, please?
You betcha.
The port's on the other side, so don't drop it.
I'm getting a shot here. I'm in tight.
I'll spin it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and lower.
All right.
We're here and it's lovely and cool. Whenever I've been in before, this is just staggeringly, unbearably hot, yellow. You know, everything's dead. This is one of the most godforsaken places I've been in Spain, but it doesn't seem too bad now.
My tires aren't the greatest. They're bald or whatever.
All that slick shit. I feel it.
light's so perfect. It seems to be that there's one last shot that we could do. I haven't said this before, but I never film really if it's not bright sunshine. I think filming in flat light's a waste of time. At the start of the shot, it'll be a clean frame of the big sky and the land, and then come back to here, and this is where we reassemble. Okay, so I might get two versions of it. Now,
Yeah, you
So
take
we're
the.
gonna be tight, right?
Yeah, the three of us.
And then we just go back to the starting point.
Yeah, right where we were at.
You missed Dan down.
Is that Dan?
Did he dump it? Dan, did you drop your bike?
Yeah, I was doing a Yui and I tipped over. My boot got caught on the, got hooked on the peg and I couldn't put my foot down, so I fell over.
We're supposed to go by you.
no, you did the right thing. We did it wrong.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah, we did it right.
What did we do wrong?
But I anticipated that was about to happen, so I just did a pan with them, so it all worked.
What did we do wrong?
That looked great. Really, really good.
You guys are supposed to make the loop coming
Well
into
worth
here.
the effort.
I was just following Sean. I thought he was go by me. Did you see it?
Okay, so here, this is us tonight, the Castillo Bulbuente, the Bulbuente Castle. The entrance is the arched door over there. We're going to take our bikes down to the end of the building and park them there, go in, find our rooms, then we'll come out the back of the castle, and there's a sliding gate there, and then we'll come through the castle's garden, open the gate, and then we'll put our bikes in the castle garden. In a sentence, every room is themed. This castle's owned by one of Spain's top kind of historical fantasy fiction, medieval fiction authors. And this is his side hustle. Hang on a sec. And I don't know enough about him. I don't know if his work's ever been translated into English. But if you're a fan of his work, this is like proper, like hardcore fan stuff. Because I think the rooms are themed after characters in books and different parts of the books. See. Yeah, I just want you to, I don't really going into this lovely place.
Wow.
Awesome. Very cool.
What do you need me?
Okay. Perdón, no recuerdo la alocación.
¿La?
Alocación de
El alojamiento de habitaciones, yo hablo de parte si quieres. ¿Tú tienes una distribución?
Yeah, no, okay, so it's all doubles, all twins, yeah?
Okay.
And who's the single?
Only
Chad?
Chad.
Okay, Chad's individual.
Yes, and the other
Okay.
one, two.
Pair up then.
Okay.
Moncayo.
Moncayo, like the mountain.
Ah, ok. Perfecto.
And,
Gracias, Elena.
de nada.
See, what is it?
Moncayo Mountain. Whoa. Hey, we have 2 beds.
What?
We have 2 beds.
I get the big one.
Dude, look at that hot tub. We're getting in there.
Oh,
What big one? They're the same, aren't they?
I don't know, but I'm taking this one over here.
Why? Just because you're
Yes,
worse?
because I am.
Because you're worse than me?
Look at this. Dude.
It's amazing. Holy shiitake.
Everything okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Oh.
Amazing.
Oh.
In a tub.
For cold or for
Okay.
hot?
and we can go out here.
Oh. Wow.
Gorgeous. We like the fresh air.
Oh,
You are welcome.
this is beautiful.
We love it.
Beautiful.
And then, do we need this or?
Sí, home. For the room, for the principal door, and the garden, and the park.
Did you guys just let me take the lead? Hey, look how far back the three of us were and we caught up to them. Chad will get there. I'm not worried about Chad.